Hello and welcome to your latest Maths Wizard video. And during this video we're going to be looking at prime numbers. So it's quite a nice short little video for this one today. So by the end of this video hopefully you will know what a prime number is and you'll perhaps be able to list at least the first 10 prime numbers. So first of all, what is a prime number? Well, a prime number is a number that only has two factors. So it will only have two whole number factors there, which will be the number itself and 1. So if we look at some examples here, 3 is a prime number because its only factors are 1 and 3. So it's only in the 1 times table and the 3 times table. So it therefore must be a prime number. Another example is 7. So 7 is prime because its only factors are 1 and 7. It's only in the 1 times table and the 7 times table. Any number that has more than 2 factors is not prime. And there's only one number that sometimes people mistakenly identify as prime. So the number 1 is not a prime number, and that's because it's only got one factor, which is the number 1 itself. Another common one that I've seen people identify as prime quite a few times before is the number 9. Now, the number 9 is not prime. That's because it's in the 1 times table, the 3 times table, and the 9 times table. So it has 3 factors. So remember, it's got a prime number will only ever have 2 factors. So what I'd like you to do then is see if you can identify the first 10 prime numbers. So the first 10 prime numbers. So if you pause your video and have a go. Okay, and here are your first 10 prime numbers. Now, one thing I'm going to point out to you here is that the number 2 is the only even prime number. Every other even number has more than 2 factors. Because if you think about it, number 4 has 1 and 4, but it also has 2. Every other even number is going to have 2 as a factor. Okay, but just bear in mind it's not always the case that every odd number is prime. So just bear that in mind as well. Okay, but here are the first 10. If we just pick out some other examples, 23, that's only in the 1 times table and the 23 times table. It doesn't feature in any other times table. 29 is only in the 1 and the 29s. And then if you carry on, you'll find numbers like 31, 37, 41, and so on. Okay, but that's it. So that is essentially what a prime number is. I'm going to do another video on product of prime factors, which does relate to this. It's kind of an extension of this in a little bit of a more challenging context. But if you like this video, please hit subscribe. I'm going to be uploading loads more videos that relate to the GCSE Maths Foundation syllabus. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.